Nike refreshes its iconic Air Max 95 with a bold green camo makeover, highlighting the sneaker's enduring reputation as a canvas for daring designs. Launching on September 12 via Nike SNKRS for $200, the pair blends rugged, military-inspired overlays with sleek black mesh and leather for balance. Vibrant orange accents energize the look, popping on the branding, eyestays, and visible air units, while reflective 3M elements add practical visibility in low light settings. A solid black midsole grounds the design yet keeps it modern by showcasing dual air units in both clear and orange. Functional detailing pairs with bold graphics to deliver both flair and comfort, cementing this update as a striking continuation of the Air Max 95's legacy. By mixing classic comfort with innovative styling, Nike ensures the sneaker remains one of its most recognizable silhouettes in the market.